What's the deal, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy KinfolkKari coming back at y'all with another banger, man. And as y'all can tell by the title, your boy finally copped these Air Jordan Pine Green things, man, this past weekend. But before we jump into those things, man, y'all already know what I need y'all to do. Like the video up, sub up, and ring that bell, man. But without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Sitting on Cougar is the truth. 79 might just take off the roof.
Man, starting off with this 5-box, bro. Well, I already said in the past videos, if y'all don't know already, man, but I love when they make the shoe match with the box, bro. It just bring the whole themes around, you feel me, in full circle. So you got your pine green right there with that elephant print, man. Look at the elephant print. Y'all know what that's off of.
Look at the elephant print from the original retro Jordan 3s. Oh yeah, he put up big numbers against Bird and Holmes.
Got your pine green right there with the white Jumpman, elephant print on the side of these things, bro. Side sticker reads Air Jordan 3 Retro. Colors are black, pine green, silver, and white. Size 12 is what I went on these, man. I really like anything from 11 to a 12, but 12 is the only thing they had, so that's what I grabbed. Whatever you usually wear, just go true to size on these, you'll be good. Retail price, 190 bucks. Boom, jumping right into the shoe, man. Here they are, here they go, here they is, man. These pine green things, super fire shoe, bro. I'm glad I got to cop these, bro, because I missed out on the, what was that, the pine green ones, man. I was so hot about those, bro. I like them. I'm gonna get my hands on them one day, God willing. You feel me? But these will definitely hold me over until then. So let's jump right into the details. Starting off from the bottom, man. The bottom it ain't too bad, but man, I did write these things last night, man, for the first time. I tried to hold out for the review, bro, but your boy had a little move to make, you feel me? Y'all know how that go. So yeah, I rocked them real quick, man, but don't worry, I was stepping real light in these, you feel me? So yeah, man, starting off from the bottom, you got your regular Air Jordan 3 traction, man, with that gray, pine green, and that white. Jumping right into the midsole, man, white midsole. You know, your little Air Max bubble as usual with that pine green going all across these things, bro, with your elephant print. I'm glad they kept it with their OG elephant print, you know what I mean? Sometimes, man, they get carried, I don't know what it is, they get carried away, bro, and they'll mess something up as simple as that, like change the elephant print, you feel me, and they'll throw off the whole shoe. But bro, man, these right here, man, 10 out of 10. Then you got your black nubuck material, it got a slight change of color when you rub your finger across it. Nothing too major, man, but it is a nice soft material though, with your pine green all across the ankle, man. We do have a regular Jumpman Air on the back though, you know, but it's not an OG. Even though this look like this definitely could be an OG colorway, it does get off that vibe, or more like a PE, I should say, especially because, you know, jumping right into the tongue, that's where you kind of get the PE feels right there, man, with that golden, that Oregon gold, orange, whatever you want to call it, trim going around that Jumpman, give you that Oregon vibe with that gray tongue, black laces, lace swapping, man, I don't know. Me personally, I'm not gonna do a lace swap. I feel like these is already hard, bro. But I mean, you could throw some green lace, or you could, you feel me, if the fit match, you could kind of bring out that trim, you know, that gold trim. There's a lot of different ways you can go with it. Me personally, I'm gonna stick with the black. Jumping into the insole, man, you got regular green insole with the white Jumpman. Nothing too special about that. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the details, man. Solid shoe. Me personally, I gotta give these things a 10 out of 10, bro. There's usually something I don't like, which would probably be this little golden trim, but that's so minor, you know what I mean? I can't even fault them for that. But man, other than that, bro, I'm loving the suede. I love that the material swap on these, man. I don't think it would have been hard with the leather, bro, but it wouldn't have hit like these. And I can definitely see, I'm kind of interested. Let's see. I don't know how much they reselling for right now. My bad for the thunderstorm is going down outside right now. But the pine green things, the resale isn't bad at all right now, bro. $230 is pretty much about the average price. About 30 bucks over retail, man. But that is definitely soon gonna change, bro. I mean, anybody that's not even really into sneakers like that, bro, you can look at this shoe and you can just know, bro. 3 more years, definitely gonna be one of them ones that shoot up in price, bro. You can just tell, man, if any retro just has that OG look to it, you know what I mean? Where you can look at a shoe and be like, yeah, that definitely could have been an OG colorway. And it's definitely one of these. So I say if you didn't get the cop them on the retail date, bro, definitely go ahead and pull the trigger, man, ASAP, because I cannot see these things dropping in price at all, especially with the holiday season coming around, and I can definitely see these being on some people's wish list, for sure. But that's enough talking about these things, man. Let's jump into that on feet. Yes, sir. Yeah, bro, definitely. After looking at these on feet, man, hard shoe. And like I said before, these definitely make up for the ones that I missed out on, bro. Because the threes, man, they just so versatile with the fits, bro. You can wear them with the sweats, the jeans, the shorts, whatever you want to do with them, bro. You can rock these all different types of ways, bro. Man, it's going down out there, good. But yeah, man, working gray sweats with these. Pull out the elephant print. Green sweats, a green Nike jumpsuit bust down, man. I'm trying to tell you, and it's finna be fall, bro. Very versatile shoe. I love sneaks like that, man. And plus, I didn't have any green shoes at all in my, not retros at least, so this was perfect. But yeah, man, that concludes this video. These pine green Air Jordan 3s. But y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about these things, man. Did y'all cop them? Fire, trash, must cop, must pass, which I definitely doubt that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. And also ring that bell. It's your boy KinfolkKari. I'm out.